It's barely been 24 hours since Vinesh Fogart joined the Congress party, but politics is now escalating over that. WFI boss Sanjay Kumar Singh has now taken on Vinesh Fogart, slamming the move. He's in fact said that this was bound to happen. It was known to the whole country that the entire protest was happening at the behest of the Congress party, and its mastermind was Dipinder Hooda and the Hooda family. He's also gone ahead and said that the foundation of this protest was laid the day Prime Minister Modi praised Brij Bhushan Charan Singh, saying that wrestling is in safe hands. The entire conspiracy was also hatched because 4 to 5 medals were going to come in the Olympics. The protest affected those medals. There was no wrestling activity for 2 years, that too in an Olympic year. So due to that, they got fewer medals. He was talking about the wrestling contingent. He also goes ahead and adds that the wrestlers were not able to practice as a result of the protest. Now, these people are not going to have any impact on our wrestling association, is what he believes.
इस धरने की नींव उसी दिन पड़ गई थी जिस दिन हमारे यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री जी ने भारतीय कुश्ती संघ के अध्यक्ष बृजभूषण शरण सिंह की बड़ाई अपने उससे किया था कि कुश्ती सुरक्षित हाथों में है.
Abhishek Mishra, my colleague, joining me for more on this. Abhishek, the WFI chief echoing the same sentiment as that of his predecessor, but this was unexpected lines, right, given the close relationship that the two of them share?
Well, certainly, and this is what certainly can be expected from Sanjay Singh. And it has come at a time when, there has been a joining in the Congress party, and he's clearly signifying the movement and the kind of protest happened related to it. He said that this was bound to happen, and it is known to the country that the entire protest was happening at the behest of the Congress and its mastermind, Dipinder Hooda. So certainly this is expected, and at the moment we can certainly expect this to escalate further because the performance of the Indian wrestling at the Olympics is what has also raised a lot of questions, and Sanjay Singh himself is signifying, saying that, this is because of the protest, we were expecting medals there, but indeed this whole political conspiracy which was sponsored by the Congress party and their leaders, and this is what is now escalating further with Vinesh joining the party and now getting into the political fray, has again got a lot of attention. Yes.
Abhishek, but the fact that he's gone ahead and put it largely on these two for the fact that there were more medals he believes India could have won at the Paris Olympics, does that not in many ways discredit the other wrestlers?
Well, in a way, yes. Indeed, Sanjay Singh's comment is clearly an indication where he's saying that because of these two and others who joined hands in the protest, wrestling suffered, and that is why at the Paris Olympics, this time we have seen only, not much impressive performance by the wrestlers. Only one male athlete qualified, and Vinesh, who eventually was, at the last moment couldn't do her fight. So all that narrows down to a point where Sanjay Singh is clearly saying, the Wrestling Federation, that it is just because of the protest which is sponsored by the Congress party and all these athletes who, instead of preparing for the Olympics, were involved in the protest, and he's also saying that it was a conspiracy because Prime Minister Modi praised Brij Bhushan Charan Singh, and this is something we can expect from Sanjay Singh. But indeed, yes, it remains to be seen how much more heat this whole issue will take, but it is all a result of Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia joining hands with the Congress party just before the election. Yes.
Abhishek, thanks so much for all those details. On your screens, viewers, are visuals of the time that Vinesh Fogart was on the streets of the national capital when she was protesting against Brij Bhushan Charan Singh, the former WFI chief. Now, not only have we heard from him, but we've also heard from the existing WFI chief in Sanjay Kumar Singh, who sided with his predecessor and put the blame on Vinesh and Bajrang for India's failure to get enough medals at the Paris Olympics.
पहले दिन कहा था ये धरना कांग्रेस के द्वारा प्रायोजित है। और मैंने उस समय भूपेंद्र हुड्डा और दीपेंद्र हुड्डा का नाम लिया था कि ये उनके द्वारा किया गया एक षड्यंत्र है और ये नेचुरल आंदोलन नहीं है। उस समय सब जो भी रहे हों, और ये राजनीतिक एक षड्यंत्र है, इसके पीछे कांग्रेस है। और आज स्पष्ट हो गया कि इसके पीछे कांग्रेस ही थी। जिस तरीके से धरने को प्रियंका जी ने सपोर्ट किया, जिस तरीके से राहुल जी ने सपोर्ट किया, और जिस तरीके से इसको देश के सामने रखा गया, ये उस समय तो लगता था कि ये केवल हमारे खिलाफ षड्यंत्र है, लेकिन हमारे को सामने रख करके ये बीजेपी के खिलाफ भी एक षड्यंत्र था। और आज वो सच्चाई सामने आ चुकी है। जो मैं बोलता था, आज देश बोल रहा है।